Welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. I was talking to my brother the other day and I said to him we should have made a film when we made your workshop. And he says, well, I've got all the pictures, so why don't we do it now? This is what we're doing. This is my brother's workshop being built, and it was nearly 12 years ago that we built it. So from pictures and some of the videos that we had then, I've put together this film to show you how we made the workshop. So let's go to the workshop and see how we did it. We started off planning the design, the sizes and the materials needed to make the workshop. Each wall and the roof was planned to give the sizes and the width and calculate the material needed to build each wall and the roof. The first job is to clear the area of the trees and plants and remove some of the tree roots. Once the area was cleared, we measured out the size of the base and removed the turf and any weeds. We then built a frame at the right height to give a 4-inch concrete base and inserted a plastic damp-proof membrane. We had some ready mixed concrete delivered, placed it in the frame and levelled it off. We placed some blocks of wood around the base with threaded steel bar going through a hole in the wood so that we could use the threaded steel to hold the walls in position once the base had dried, and covered it over to dry. While we're waiting for the base to dry, we ordered the wood to build the sides of the workshop. We also had a temporary workshop just in case it rained. We made the frames for the walls and bolted them into position using the bolts we'd already placed into the concrete. Now we had the frames built, we got the boards to cover the walls and the roof. At this point we fitted the fuse box and installed the wiring for the electric sockets around the walls. You can also see some of the insulation we fitted while we were building the walls. More wiring was added for the lighting and an alarm system. We then cladded the outside walls, added a pressed steel roof and the double glazed windows and doors. A trench was dug from the workshop to the house and the wiring placed in a conduit and also a wire for the alarm systems. They were then covered with some bricks and a warning label on top, warning of electric cable below. And a layer of soil filled the trench. On the inside, the walls were boarded, then painted white and the electrical sockets fitted. The ceiling was painted white. The insides were fitted out with some benches and storage cupboards and shelving. And this is the finished workshop. All we need to do now is move in the lathe, the milling machine, the workbenches and all the tools. But that's another video. Oh well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.